How to install WhatsApp on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to install the WhatsApp application on iPhone, here is what you should do. First of all, confirm if you have a stable internet connection and then update your iOS to the latest version. Once you have confirmed both, you can head over to App Store. Once you log in into your Apple ID, you can then continue with search. In the search bar, type in WhatsApp and search for WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business that you want to install. Tap on the app that is required to be installed and you will see a Get button if you have not yet installed the app. This will now ask you to double press on the side button and then confirm it with Face ID to start download. Once started, it should take few minutes depending upon the internet connection. Once successfully installed, you can see an open button that you can tap to open the app and use. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.